just yesterday. So let's get started. First, I removed the battery and the intake box. Then I decided to remove the fuel lines from the intake manifold. You don't really have to do this, but I decided to take the throttle body off because I wanted to be able to sell it later on. Alright, progress update. So battery's taken out, throttle body's out, the oil's been drained, coolant is currently draining. We're going to take off the power steering, the AC compressor, and the intake manifold. So I finally got around to taking the intake manifold off. This is going to be really helpful for removing the torque converter bolts. Yeah, don't mind the pine straw in my hair. That's just all the effort showing. As I'm removing the torque converter bolts, there's something I would like to mention. Please remember to put the car in neutral. I did not do that, so when I plugged in the battery, the car just started shooting fuel everywhere. Yes, I know I could have pulled the fuse or the relay, but I looked it up and I could not figure out where it was, so that's why we're in this situation. Now we're at the good part. So I went to Harbor Freight, grabbed myself one of these 2-ton Pittsburgh engine hoists. It took me about an hour and a half before I even started the install to assemble everything.
She's loose.
Alright guys, so the camera died. I decided to continue with the project. So the motor's out. The behemoth is out. That's all she wrote, guys. That's all she wrote. Thanks again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. It's the first time I'm pulling a motor. Never did it before. So a little bit of help and persistence, you can get it done. It took me a little bit of time, but really enjoyed it, and I'm glad I got it done because the Forester officially blew up. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.